Welcome to this beginner-friendly Civil 3D tutorial. Today we will explore the first interface of Civil 3D, learn common beginner mistakes and see how to set units and limits properly. By the end of this video, you will be ready to start your first civil engineering drawing efficiently. Let's get started. First, let's open Civil 3D. When the software opens, you will see the startup screen. This is where you can open recent drawings, access your history drawings, create a new drawing, explore learning resources. If you are signed in with your Autodesk account, you can also access your Civil 3D cloud projects directly. Take a moment to explore this interface as it will save you a lot of time later. Now let's create a new drawing. Click on the new option or the plus icon at the top. This opens a blank drawing. Here's what you see in the new drawing interface. The large white or black area is called model space. This is where all your design and drafting happens. At the top, we have the ribbon with tabs like Home, Insert, Annotate, Modify and Civil 3D tools. On the side, there's the tool space which includes Prospector, Settings, Survey and Toolbox. These are essential for civil projects. And at the bottom, we have the command line. This is where most of your commands will be typed and executed. Always keep an eye on the command line. It gives important prompts and instructions. Before we start drawing, let's talk about some common mistakes beginners make. Start without setting units. This can cause scale errors. Drawing without limits. This makes printing and scaling difficult later. Ignoring the command line. Civil 3D guides you here. Ignoring it can cause errors. Avoid these mistakes and your work will be much smoother. Next, we will set the drawing units. Type units in the command line and press enter. Here you can set length type, decimal, engineering and architectural. Units, millimeters, meters, inches or feet. Angle type and precision. For civil engineering projects, always make sure the units match real-world measurements. Once done, click OK. Now let's set the drawing limits. Type limits in the command line and press enter. First, Civil 3D will ask for the lower left corner. Type 0, 0 and press enter. Next, it will ask for the upper right corner. Type something like 10,000, 10,000 depending on your project size. After that, type Z, press enter and then A, press enter. This zooms to fit your drawing area. Now your drawing limits are set and you are ready to start drafting. At the bottom of the screen, you can switch between model space and layout view. Model space is where we create all our civil designs. Layout view is where we prepare our designs for printing, set scales, paper sizes and viewports. This separation keeps your design organized and ensures accurate printing. So, before you start drawing in Civil 3D, always remember set units correctly, set drawing limits, pay attention to the command line, avoid common beginner mistakes. Doing these steps first will save your time and prevent mistakes in your civil designs. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Civil 3D tutorials. Mapora, learning made easy.